Hey my loves, so today I'm just going to be showing you how I do my eyebrows. So let's just go ahead and get straight into it. I'll be using my MAC 266 brush and the ABH pomade in Ebony. So I'm going to go ahead and start off by underlining my eyebrow with small strokes, but I'm not going to bring it all the way to the front because I don't want it to look harsh. I want to give it that fade effect. And for the top of my brow, I'll just be doing the same exact thing. Remember just to go in with small strokes all the way to the end of the tail.
That I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. The stars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all.
So once there's less product on my brush, I'll just go ahead and do hair-like strokes and just go back and forth with whatever I feel that needs to be filled in.
To the beat, baby, I have no story to be told, but I've heard one on you and I'm gonna make your head burn. Think of me in the depths of your despair. Make a home down there as mine sure won't be shared.
So now I'm just going to go in with a spoolie and start brushing it to the front of my brow so we can give it that gradient effect. So I guess I decided that I needed to go in with some more product, so that's what I'm doing here. Now I'm going to clean up my brows with the ABH dual-sided brush. I do not know the name of this brush, but I will have it down listed below for you guys. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. It's my favorite concealer of all time.
Throw your soul through every open door. Count your blessings to find what you look for. Turn my sorrow into treasure gold. You pay me.
I do bring the concealer all the way down to my eyelid because I will be using it as an eyeshadow base. So now I'm going to be using my beauty blender to blend everything out, making sure that there's no harsh lines. Once I'm finished with that brow, I'm just going to go ahead and do the same exact thing to the other side. But I have two different eyebrow shapes, so both of my eyebrows look different. So they're not twins, they're sisters, cousins. And, you know, I'm just not picky like that. As long as they kind of look alike, then I'm okay. So you guys, I just really want to apologize for the angle change. I'm barely new to this camera and filming myself, so please excuse that. And here I'm just going back and forth, seeing what needs to be fixed on which brow and just trying to even them out.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. The stars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. I'm gonna make your head burn. Think of me in the depths of your despair. Make a home down there as mine sure won't be shared. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling.
So once I'm done with my beauty blender, I go in with a concealer brush and pat off any excess product that was left behind. Alright guys, that does it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Give me a thumbs up. I hope you learned some tips. And don't forget to follow me. And thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Mwah.